Hello guys, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. Today is day 8 of our 100 days interview question challenge, and we'll discuss one of the most commonly asked Java questions. Let's go. Day 6 question: what is the difference between string, string builder, and string buffer in Java? Let's break it down. 1. String, it cannot be changed once created, meaning it's immutable. Every time you modify it, a new object is created. It is safe to use in multi-threading because it's immutable. Strings are good when your data doesn't change often. Now let's look at an example to understand how string works. Declare a string str equals hello, then add another word, str equals str plus world. This actually creates a new string object, because strings cannot be changed. Finally, print it using system.out.println string plus str, the output will be hello world. 2. String builder, it can be changed, meaning it's mutable. It is faster than string because it doesn't create new objects every time. However, it's not thread safe, so don't use it in multi-threaded programs. Best when you're working in single-threaded programs and your data changes often. Now let's look at an example to understand how string builder works. Create a new string builder sb equals new string builder, hello, append another word using sb.append, world. This time, the same object is modified, no new object is created. Print it, system.out.println, string builder, plus sb, the output again will be hello world. 3. String buffer, it can also be changed, it's mutable. But unlike string builder, it's thread safe, meaning multiple threads can safely use it. Because of synchronization, it's a bit slower than string builder. Use it when your program is multi-threaded and data changes frequently. Now let's look at an example to understand how string buffer works. Create a new string buffer sbuf equals new string buffer, hello, append another word, sbuf.append, world. This modifies the existing object with synchronization, making it safe for multi-threaded use. Print it using system.out.println string buffer plus sbuf, the output will again be hello world. So, all three give the same output, but they work differently internally. String is immutable, string builder is mutable and fast, and string buffer is mutable and thread safe. Let's quickly recap the difference between string builder, and string buffer. String, not mutable, meaning it cannot be changed once created. It is thread safe and slow in performance, best when your data doesn't change often. String builder, mutable, so it can be changed. It is not thread safe, but very fast, best for single-threaded applications. String buffer, also mutable and thread safe. Its performance is moderate, best for multi-threaded applications. So, remember, string is immutable, string builder is fast but not thread safe, and string buffer is safe but slightly slower. That's it for day 8. Follow me for day 9, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.